Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make free mascot logo designs by using free AI tool with Canva. So let's begin the video.
First we need to open any browser in your mobile or PC and search for ChatGPT and log in to ChatGPT and ask him to give top 3 unique and catchy logo of a roaring lion mascot 3D logo prompts without any text on it.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, let us know how we can improve in the comments.